Hello friends, my name is Hilary and this is Dekobuko Eigo. Welcome. Before we start today, I want to tell you about the captions. Do you know how to use captions on YouTube? If you click on this button at the bottom of the screen, you can choose between English, Japanese, or no subtitles. I recommend watching each video once with Japanese subtitles, and then again with English subtitles, and once more with nothing. It's a good way to train your ears. Give it a go. See what you think. So, only a few more days until Halloween, yes. Are you going to do anything special? Tomorrow, I'm going to make some jack-o'-lanterns, and on the 31st, I'm going trick-or-treating with Kaudu and our students. Maybe after, I'll watch a scary movie and eat some pumpkin pie and lots of candy. I'm so excited. I love Halloween. So far this month, we've talked about witches and vampires, and last week we talked about ghosts. Can you remember what we learned? Ghost quiz. What is the ghost doing? Walking on a wall? Walking through a wall? Walking in a wall? The answer is walking through a wall. Number 2, what's this? A handy hospital, a haunted hospital, a happy hospital. The answer is a haunted hospital. Number 3, who is this? Candy, the funny ghost? Casper, the friendly ghost? Custard, the funky ghost? The answer is Casper, the friendly ghost. Look at this. I like Casper so much, so I bought these figures of him. Aren't they cute? Good work, friends. Could you remember most of that? I hope so, because we're moving on. Today, we're going to talk about a special character. What I mean is there are many witches and many vampires and many ghosts, but there is only one of this character. Like Dracula. He's very big and very strong. His skin is sometimes yellow, sometimes grey, sometimes green. It's hard to tell if he's a bad guy or not. And people often make mistakes with his name. Today, our final character is Frankenstein's monster. First things first, this is not Frankenstein. No, this is Frankenstein. This is Frankenstein's monster. I know, many people make this mistake. It's okay. The story of Frankenstein was written by Mary Shelley in 1818. Such an old story and still so popular. Mary was only 18 when she started writing Frankenstein. So young and so talented. What a queen. In the story, a man named Victor Frankenstein was very interested in life. He wanted to make a new life. He wanted to make a man. He collected body parts. He sewed them together and he made a creature. He waited for a stormy night, and when lightning hit the creature, it moved. Dr. Frankenstein said, "It's alive!" The creature moved towards the doctor. Dr. Frankenstein was scared, so he ran away and hid. The creature was all alone and scared. He didn't have any friends, and everyone thought he was a monster. Even Dr. Frankenstein didn't want to know him. What a jerk. The creature hid close by and learned how to speak and read, and over time he became very angry with Dr. Frankenstein for creating him and then leaving him all alone. I don't want to ruin it for you, but it doesn't have a happy ending. There are many movies and stories about this character, but nothing touches the original. The English is difficult, but if you can, you should give it a read. Or watch the 1931 movie starring Boris Karloff as the creature. It's beautiful and sad. If you want something more child-friendly, Tim Burton made a short movie called Frankenweenie, which is worth a watch. This week we played a game in the classroom. We drew a head, a body, arms, and legs on cardboard, and we cut them out. We used a hole punch to make a few holes. See? Then the students asked for body parts like this. Let's try. Head, please. Head, please. Body, please. Body, please. Legs, please. Legs, please. Arms, please. Arms, please. Then they had to use wool to attach the body parts together. When they were finished, they said, "It's alive!" The fastest team to make a monster wins. Why don't you try it at home? All you need is cardboard, colouring pencils, scissors, a hole punch, and some wool. Great work this month, friend. Next week is Halloween, and I hope you have a wonderful time with your friends and family. Carve a pumpkin, watch a scary movie, go trick-or-treating, eat lots of candy, and I will see you next week. Bye!